Hi, my name is Vigendes and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat what I'm storing. Thanks for watching. So my next task is attach this bracket, outboard bracket, to the boat, but I need kind of support from there. Maybe reinforce a little bit more. And yeah, try there. All this paint ready for painting. What are we gonna do? We're gonna grind that area, grind in it, stick extra sheet or two of fiberglass, cut piece of wood and stick it on. Drill other side the bracket thing and we good. Oh, we got this. I think something like that. Perfect. This. Put this on the top. Let's see. And a little bit of this. So now we're gonna wet it up, stick it on, bang bang, easy. So it's quite warm. I need to do as quick as possible, like that. Get it out. So we got this now. Go, do a tidy up. It's definitely better than nothing. And tidy up, cut a piece of wood, bang bang, Bob's the uncle. So, this is gonna go there. I'll sand it off a little bit. So we got this backing plate. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pre-drill some holes. Bang bang. Like that. We're gonna put my backing plate on the back, tighten those screws and drill the rest of the holes. So, let's do it. Let's put this juice, just stick it, and on this side you need to be generous. Then we put this bitumen around here. Extra. And there, like that. One there. Oh no. Okay. So we got it on. I ran out of nuts and bolts. But I'm gonna get it over next week and finishing off. The next thing what we need is Outboard, and that will be for next year, as this year we can't go in the water because it's end of season. Went a little bit slower than I expected, but it's what it is. Now I'm gonna raise my funds to buy a new outboard, or maybe some sponsors gonna turn up and buy me a new outboard. Thanks for watching. Just like that. Like that. Lower, no, pull it. Like that. I'd like to say a big thank you to Tesma for supporting the channel and donating this amazing outboard Cyber Yacht 1000. And if you like to support my channel, his link is in the description. Thanks for watching.